Welcome to our latest video. In this tutorial we will be implementing an exponential moving average crossover strategy. Using this strategy we will identify bullish and bearish signals. Bullish signals are identified using blue and green horizontal lines. Bearish signals are identified using red and purple horizontal lines. Using this system we will identify not just prices but ranges in which bullish and bearish positions may be opened. This tutorial is based on the MQL5 language. To get access to the language you need to install the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once installed we will begin creating our system. Open the Meta editor. From the MQL wizard, select the Expert Advisor template option. Within the Expert Tutorial folder, create the EMA cross file. Open the Simple Moving Average Data repository. Within the EMA crossover system file we will find the full code implementation of the strategy. The Include tutorial folder stores the include files that have the necessary classes. Within our EMA cross file, we will include the necessary files that have the classes for indicators, price data, and our line objects. Next we will initialize the objects for the EMA indicators and price data. We will initialize the fast and slow EMA objects. After defining our price data and indicator objects, we will define the variables that will store the values necessary to draw our line objects. Within the onInit function, we will create the EMA indicator definition. The EMA definition initializes the EMA object with indicator data of the current symbol, in the current time frame, with the moving average period. The fast EMA will be defined as a 20-period moving average. The slow EMA will be defined as a 200-period moving average. Within the onTick function, we will add the array data to the EMA objects and the price data objects. The addArrayData method is based on the copyBuffer function. This method adds the price data values and indicator data values to the array within the object. Without this method we cannot access recent data values. Next we will access the fast and slow EMA values. Using the getIndicatorValue method, we will access the EMA values. We will access the current fast and slow EMA values, as well as the previous fast and slow EMA values. These values are necessary to determine a crossover. After defining the current and previous EMA values, we will determine an up or down cross. We will first define the condition of whether the fast EMA is above the slow EMA. We will find this condition for the current and previous index. An EMA up cross is determined if the current fast EMA is above the slow EMA and if the previous fast EMA is not above the slow EMA. An EMA down cross is determined if the current fast EMA is not above the slow EMA and if the previous fast EMA is above the slow EMA. If the condition of an EMA up cross is true, we will define the bullish signal price as well as the upper and lower bound of the bullish signal. If the condition of an EMA down cross is true, we will define the bearish signal price as well as the upper and lower bound of the bearish signal. These conditions allow us to isolate bullish and bearish signal ranges and not just prices. Before we can use our horizontal lines, we must first name our bullish and bearish horizontal lines. This allows each line to have a unique identification. We will use the createHorizontalLine function to create our line object. This function takes the line name, line price, and line color as arguments. This function is defined within our line systems file within the Include tutorial folder. This allows for ease in creating line objects. We will backtest our strategy within the EURUSD. Bullish signals are identified using blue and green lines. Bearish signals are identified using red and purple lines. Access to the full code in the description below.